Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob batteries in this Mercedes remote key fob. The batteries are situated in a housing that sits just at the top of the key fob here. First thing we need to do is remove the emergency key fob blade out of the top of the housing like so. Okay. Using the key fob blade, we need to push it against the grey lock there, situated at the top. Press it, we need to press it down, which releases the housing out of the top of the fob, and there you go. There are your key fob batteries. This key fob takes 2 key fob batteries, like so, which have a part number of CR2025. You just get your new key fob batteries and you simply just pop it back into the housing, making sure that they're facing upwards like so. Just pop them on top of each other, stacked up like that. There you go. We just simply slide the housing back in, make sure all clicks in place, and then the key fob blade, and there you go, it's all done.